Hi, you're watching Shopworx. I'm Sean, and today we're going to be doing an oil change on here and installing one of these Femco drain valves on the oil pan. It's a no mess valve, and some of you watch some of my other videos, I can be prone to make a mess every once in a while. So we'll fire this thing up, and like I say, got a big trip going. Going to be doing a few other things under the hood here as well, and topping off the water meth there, and sitting probably a month there, probably used it and running around the Ranger. And this is why I want one of those drain plugs. Make sure that matches the plug, and away we go. That drain and get some water meth loaded while we're waiting. So I'll basically get going on my redneck water meth here. Cheapest thing I've been able to find that works is this -40 windshield washer fluid. Might be hard to find in some southern states and stuff, but around here it's pretty common. Paid $3 and change for each gallon of this. I can't get methanol and mix it with distilled water for anything close. So what I'm going to be using this for really isn't for extra power I'll be towing, but more for keeping the turbo temps down on this trip. There's a bunch of hills and stuff. Get dumping her in. I guess that's not too bad. It's 11 gallons in a 10-gallon tank. There's 12, I got one left. We'll get her stashed away and cleaned up and be ready to go. Just so we know what that is, it's a Femco drain valve. It's torqued to 20 foot-pounds, and these 7.3 Powerstrokes take a M14 by 1.25 thread. Those of you interested in doing it, it's part number 609-002-0032. and they're on sale at our local Greg's distributor this month, so I ended up picking up one for this and one for 6 liter I'm going to be doing here right quick. He's coming up with me too on this trip, so we'll be changing it out. And for those of you that have seen some of my other videos there, Takeuchi oil change and stuff, it came factory with a valve like this on it, and got this on the T800 and everything. And the way it works is it pushes in on that little pit there, and it pushes the plunger open on the backside. So until you screw the drain pipe on there, you have no oil leaking at all. It's all copper gasketed, O-ring seal in the cap, and good quality product. I'm starting to switch them all over. I got right now the Takeuchi, the T800, the 8.3 Cummins, and the Digger Derrick. It's done, and like I said, I'm doing this one. I'll be doing another one here on the 0.66 liter, and keep on going from there. When I do my 6.9 build up here, I'm going to be doing putting one of these on there as well. And that one's actually a different thread pitch though. It's a standard pitch. It's a half inch by something. So anyway, we'll worry about that when I get to it. Let's get this thing installed. Okay, so now that we're just about done draining here, just down to the last drop. Make sure I got my copper washer here on there. And the thread's got to be right. And I don't have an 1 3/16 wrench, so we're just gonna hit it with the 12-inch. There. About 20 foot-pounds. Now, when I give an oil change, all I got to do is undo this. And I got a straight hose drip tube, brings it down to about 8 inches or so here, and thread it on, and she'll drain right out. I don't have to monkey around with the wrench, get oil all over my hands or anything there again. So, get this cap screwed back on, and we'll drop the big filter. And been really impressed with that Donaldson blue filter. I've never had diesel oil come out looking as clear as this after the kind of mileage I put on it. So I splurged again and put another one. Gonna put another one on here now that we know she works. Alright, boys and girls, let's give her a whirl here. See if I can do it without dropping it again this time. That oil looks dark on camera. I'm assuming that she's not overly black when you really look at it. Usually it comes out jet black on me. So definitely call that a win. This looks more like oil out of, say, my V10 or whatever after 5,000-6,000. Got a little bit of an oil leak off my back pressure valve on the turbo pedestal. So when I change my turbo around, I'm hopefully getting a new turbo here in the next year for this thing, and need a bigger turbo. My EGTs are pretty high with this one. It's pretty much stock with a liquid wheel on it. We did the bushings and everything in there. I did the liquid wheel, and it doesn't move enough air to keep up with everything else, and we're getting pretty high exhaust temperatures. Let's see if we can get this out without dropping oil everywhere again. Hey, looky there, guys. I got her in the pan without dropping her this time. Now, normally I don't like doing filters on with the filter wrench here, but it's just a little awkward to get at this one, and thought so give her a little bit of a turn there. And clean her up, add some oil, and we're good to go. I'm running straight 1540 dyno oil. It's Shell Rotella. And, I'm used to pretty much jet black. So that's pretty good. And at least for my use, anyway, I've got lots of room in between here. Really can't see me high centering it on that. The diff sticks down probably 6 inches lower than the bottom of that plug. Still protected by the sway bar and the track link and front axle tube and everything else. So, and really don't wheel this thing that hard. So, anywho, let's keep getting on with this. So I gotta add a little over a quart now that I fired it up, and we'll be ready to go oil wise anyway. Well, that should do that. Next time I do an oil change, should be a lot cleaner on the hand there to pull the plug anyway. So, thanks for watching, and if you like this kind of stuff, please like and subscribe, and hopefully we'll have more content like this on the go. Thanks.